This 2024 Jayco J Flight 225 MLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features sleeps 3. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.